Dreo's Pace Heater Indoor, 15-inch portable heater with 70 degrees oscillation, 1500W electric heaters with thermostat, remote, 12-age timer, safety heat, large PTC ceramic heater for office home. Dreo Solaris 317. Visit the Dreo store. Powerful heat for any space. This Dreo Solaris 317 space heater indoor utilizes an Hyperamics 1500W advanced PTC system to provide rapid heat delivery and improve the circulation of warm air. Compared to traditional heaters, Solaris 317 can reach areas up to 200% farther, ensuring efficient and widespread heating in an instant. Unbreakable safety. The electric heater is built with a child lock, tip-over protection, V0 flame retardant material, overheat protection, and safety plug, all certified by EDL. It provides comprehensive protection for your family, enhancing safety for children, strengthening defenses against accidents, and ensuring peace of mind for users' cozy tranquility.